Hello and welcome back to another stitch tutorial. So today we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful houndstooth stitch. It is a neat look houndstooth and it uses two colors that are not cut, so you don't have to cut your yarns after every row. You just carry floats, as you can see here, as you work along. To begin, you're going to take the darker shade of color or yarn, and then you're going to make a slip knot. Using your 2.0mm hook, you're going to chain a multiple of 6. So you can start by chaining 6, 12, 18, 24 as you go. But for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to chain 24. So go ahead, make your 24 chains, and then we'll meet in our first row. I went ahead and finished my 24 chains. And for the first row, we're going to chain 1 to turn our chains. This chain 1 does not count as part of our multiples. And then you're going to skip the chain 1 that we've just added, and in the next chain you're going to insert your hook and work a single crochet, then single crochet in the next stitch, and continue placing one single crochet in every stitch until the end. When you reach the end, your single crochet stitches should be the same number as your foundation chains, excluding the chain 1 that we just added when turning to our row 1. So continue, finish your single crochet stitches, and then you're going to meet in our first row. In our second row, not first, in our second row. So I went ahead and finished my first row, and I have 24 single crochet stitches. Then for the next row, we're going to turn our work. Do not chain, because we're going to work with chainless single crochets and chainless double crochets. So for the second row, we're going to work a chainless single crochet. So just turn your work, and then you're going to insert your hook in the very first stitch through the both loops at the top, and then yarn over, pull through, and then make a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 2, so 1, 2, skip the next stitch, and in the third stitch you're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, then make a single crochet, then chain 2, skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to place a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, then double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then you're going to chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to place a single crochet, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and place double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that is going to be your pattern repeat. After working your double crochet, the 3 double crochets, you're going to chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the next, then chain 2, skip 1 double crochet in the next 3, all the way until you have your last 5 stitches remaining. So when you have the 5 stitches remaining, you're going to chain 2 after the 3 double crochets, then you're going to skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next stitch, then chain 2, skip 1 stitch and then you'll have 2 last stitches. You're going to yarn over and work double crochets in those last 2 stitches. So 1 and then 2. But for this last stitch, you're not going to complete it. After working the yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, you're going to drop this yarn and then pick your second color or the lighter shade of yarn. You're going to yarn over and pass it through those 2 loops. Then you're going to turn your work, and then you're going to work as single crochet in the very first stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. Then place another single crochet in the next stitch. Then from here we're going to work a double crochet in the skip stitch here below, the 2 rows below this stitch here. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, then yarn over, pull through, pull it to the level of your stitches, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Then you're going to yarn over and work a double crochet in the next stitch, which is a single crochet stitch. Yarn over, work a double crochet in the skip stitch 2 rows below. And then in the next 3 stitches, you're going to work just single crochet stitches. So insert your hook in that stitch, place a single crochet, then single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. And now our pattern repeat for this row will be, after working the single crochet in the 3 stitches, you're going to work a double crochet stitch in the skip stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next skip stitch, then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. After working your double crochet stitches, you're going to place single crochet in each of these 3 stitches. Then double crochet in the skip stitch, double crochet in the single crochet stitch, and double crochet in the next skip stitch. Then single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets, and that is going to be your pattern. Repeat all the way until you reach the end of your row. So we still have the skip stitches, so you're going to work a double crochet in that skip stitch, double crochet in the next single crochet stitch, double crochet in the next skip stitch, and then when you have your last stitch remaining, remember it was a single crochet stitch, so you're going to work a double crochet in that very last stitch. So our row 3 is complete, and for our next row we are still going to use our color, the lighter color. So turn your work, and then we're going to work a standing or a chainless double crochet in this row. So to work a chainless double crochet, you're going to insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull through, then work 1 single crochet, then you're going to go through that single crochet stitch. So insert your hook through these 2 loops of the single crochet stitch, and then work another single crochet. You can either do this or just chain 2. I prefer working this way to have neater edges. Then after working your chainless double crochet, you're going to work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then you're going to chain 2, skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to work a single crochet, chain 2, skip the next stitch and work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip the next stitch and single crochet, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that will be your pattern. Repeat all the way until you have the last 2 single crochet stitches remaining, and then you're going to work chain 2, skip the next stitch, and in the very last stitch you want to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and instead of closing the single crochet with yarning over and pulling through the last 2 loops, you're going to pick your previous color and yarn over, pull it through those 2 loops. Then you're going to turn your work, and you're going to start now by double crochet in this very first stitch. So insert your hook in that single crochet stitch, work a single crochet, then insert your hook through that single crochet stitch like this, make another single crochet, and then you're going to yarn over and work a double crochet in the next stitch, the skip stitch 2 rows below, then 1 single crochet stitch in every double crochet stitch. So single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then once you reach the skip stitch, you're going to yarn over and work a double crochet stitch in the skip stitch below. Make sure that you pull the loop to the level of your stitches so that you don't have your work shrinking when you're working the double crochets. Then work a double crochet in the next stitch, then a double crochet in the next skip stitch. So yarn over, pull it through, make sure it is on the same level as your stitches, then finish that double crochet. You also don't want to pull it too long, and work 1 single crochet stitch in each of these next 3 double crochets. Double crochet in the skip stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next skip stitch. So that is the pattern. Repeat also for this row. Single crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitches, then double crochet in the skipped stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next skipped stitch. single crochet in each of these last 4 double crochet stitches. So once you reach the end of your row, you're going to chain 2, sorry, do not chain, you're going to turn your work and then repeat the row 2 pattern. So our pattern repeat is row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5 all the way until you finish your project. So I'll just show you a repeat of that row 2 pattern and then you can proceed with your rows. I'm going to leave chapters of every row so you can always go back and see how I did the previous row you want to work on. So turn your work, and for row 2 we started with a single crochet in the very first stitch, then chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and then chain 2, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in the next, chain 2, skip 1, double crochet in the next 3. Chain 1, chain 2, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, then double crochet in the last 2 stitches. So 1 and then 2, but you make sure at the end of your last double crochet stitch you're going to drop your yarn and then pick the previous yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, then turn your work. You want to make sure that your float is not too tight, then proceed with your next row. So our row 3 was starting with single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So you can go ahead with the row repeats and finish your stitch. If you're making a project, you can go ahead and finish your project. Then once you're done, you're just going to work single crochet stitches around the sides to hide the floats. So that is all for the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you'd like more projects with this pattern, also be free to let me know in the comment section below. I also have a written pattern for the stitch pattern up on my blog. You can check it out at dreamcrochets.com. And until next time, stay safe, God bless you, and bye.